Hi there, this is Christina, and I'm here to show you my album that I got done. It is a very large 8.5 by 10.5 by, I believe, 3-inch spine. This was come from a tutorial that Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking did. I love her scrapbooks. And when I seen this one, I had to do this one because this fits a lot of my old family photos. So anyways, open the first signature here. First signature is of my mother when she was little. And as you can see, there's a lot of room for pictures in here. This is her when she was confirmed at church. This is another picture. This is her another picture of her at church and being confirmed in the church. And this is her senior picture. And then my mom and dad together, and then her and her mom, and then my mom with my dad's mom. And here's another little baby picture of her, and even more. And then my mom and dad when they first got together with their little puppy. Okay, the next signature is of my dad. This opens up and goes this way. And then that closes. And this one opens up and goes that way. And then you can close it back up, open it this way. And my dad was in the Navy, so I've got some pictures there. And then I have a big picture up here of my grandpa and my dad and two of his brothers. This is Grandma Coon and all 4 boys. This was before any of them went into the service. Okay, and then the next signature is my mom's parents' family. This is my grandma's, her mom's side, my grandma Gerhardt. She was a Keller, and this is all the family in front of the old homestead years ago. And then this opens up like that. And lots more pictures. This is my grandma and grandpa with my sister. And they used to do a lot of fishing, so they'd go to Michigan to fish. And then this comes open this way. And this is Grandma Gerhardt's family. These are her sisters. There were 6 girls and 7 boys, 13 in all. One of them died in infancy. That was can't even think of her name. Flora. Okay, then the next signature is Grandma Gerhardt's brothers. There were 7 of them. She really had a large family. And then here's my grandfather. He used to make fish baits. So that's him in the basement doing that. And this is part of Grandpa's family and his mother. I believe his mother, I think, was this one. This is my Grandma Gerhardt's mother. This is Maria Anna Gunther Keller. Then we'll move over this way, and this is Grandpa and Grandma and my mom. This is their wedding picture. And this is a picture of my grandma with her maid of honor, which was her sister, Emma. The next signature is of my grandma and grandpa Coon. This is them at Shady Grove up by Defiance, Ohio, on the Auglaize River. This is a picture of them in Florida. They used to have 3 homes. One was in Florida, one was up by Defiance, the other one was on Elida Road in Lima, Ohio. This one's just a little tuck spot where you can put pictures, and that's my dad. And this is my grandpa with his gun and his dog. And then this opens like this, and up here is my uncle. This is the one that died in World War II in the Philippines. This was Bob, and this picture is Dawn. The one in the middle is Ted. He's the youngest. This is my mom and my dad's mom. And then this is my dad's mom with her 2 hunting dogs. And then there's Grandpa when he was a baby, Grandpa Coon. This would be my dad's dad. And this is just an enlarged picture of the picture they were in Florida. This one here is just there in Shady Grove up by the Auglaize River. This was my dad when he was in the Navy and a couple of his buddies. This is Grandma, and this is Grandma Coon. This was her senior picture, and Grandpa was in the Army, so I put that in here and added it. Those 2 come out. Then there's a big picture of my dad and his 8th grade class. Then these open up, and over here is a picture of my grandpa's dad, Emmanuel Coon, and his wife Sarah, and then Grandpa's brother and sister, Nettie and Elmer. And then this picture goes back a little further, and this is Emmanuel with his brothers when he was young. Alright, this is Grandpa Coon at Neon Products in Lima. Most of the family worked there. Here's a real nice picture of my dad in one of his Navy outfits. And this moves over this way. This is my sisters and I section. This is me and my sister and Grandma. And then this was at Christmas time. And then this is me over here and my sister. And then my sister with Grandma and Grandpa. And then this was me with Grandpa. And then there's a few other pictures and just different times in our lives when we would do dress up and different stuff like that. Okay. Here's the next section, and this section right here is, like I said, we like dressing up. My sister and my mom's wedding dress, and me hanging doll clothes on the porch at Grandma's house. And then the top one up here, that's me and my sister with some friends in the neighborhood. And this was the day we brought our puppy home. This was my sister's graduation day, and we used to go swimming all the time. And we also used to dress up and do Civil War reenactments. think that's all of it. Yep. Okay. Now, this is the wedding album. It's kind of hard to see. And then this opens up like this, and here's a picture of my mom and dad and my dad's brother. And then here's my mom in her wedding dress. And there's the whole wedding party. Some of these I know, some of them I don't. This is my mom's maid of honor, Maggie Tussing Meals. And this is my mom, my dad. And this was my dad's brother, Ted. And I believe this man here his name was Gene Query. And he was one of my dad's best friends. And we got another one. Here's a real good picture of him. And then there's another picture of him there. And then here's the other one. Alright, and then this opens like that and gives us more spots to put stuff. That's another picture of the wedding, and it's really hard to get all of this in, but I'm trying. And then this one comes down, and that's my mom's senior picture. And then this was a picture that was featured in the local newspaper when we used to go camping. And we'd camp like pioneers. And this closes up, and that closes up. And then there's just another tuck spot for a nice big 8x10 picture here. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.